Hello, in this video I will be demonstrating LeadNorth's CCD data profiling tool. This tool allows users to load data from CCDs and render the data with a user-friendly interface as well as export it to Excel or Google Sheets. Once you have installed the tool, navigate to the dashboard. Here you can import data from a directory or from the document repository, assuming you have that set up on your instance. For this demo, we will load the directory of CCDs provided in the install folder. Simply navigate to this folder and copy the path and enter it in this field. Name your profile. For this demo, we will be profiling only patient and encounter data, which you can specify in this import settings module. Now we will start the import and wait for that to finish. Now that is finished, we can jump to the reports page. On the reports page, there are drop-downs for each section. Sections that are green indicate that data was profiled for that section. If you open up a field such as patient MRN, you will see the individual values, occurrences, and XPath. Value is the actual data that was pulled from the CCD, with occurrences being the number of times that value was found. XPath is the location from which that value came from. This section is especially helpful for things such as mapping exercises. Say you need to map your race codes. You can quickly see the codes that are coming in and map them accordingly. Similar to the import function, you can also specify the sections you would like to export to your Excel or Google Sheet. For this demo, we will continue using patient and encounters. You will notice here that there is an optional setting called de-identify patient data. What this does is it removes certain common PHI fields. So patient names, date of births, MRNs, and so on will be removed. It is important to note that this is not a 100% guarantee that your report will be PHI free. Please review your data anytime you export and/or share it. Now we will export that report and we can hop over here and take a look. It is pretty much the same data as you see on the reports page, just in a spreadsheet as a sort of more mobile format. The last page is the configuration page. Here you can modify and test the XSLT that is used on the back end. For example, you can modify the XPath for a particular value and then test it against a CCD and view the results. For this, we will test patient XSLT, and here we can see the MRNs and the names and so on that are extracted from that section. The last tab is Manage Data. Here you can delete specific profiling reports that you have generated, or you can simply delete all data.